Well, हम सभी को पता है कि सोनम कपूर is one of the known actresses from the Bollywood industry. Well, she's one of those actresses from this generation who has always been in the news headlines for her fashion statement. लेकिन एक ऐसी चीज है सोनम कपूर की जो हमेशा उनको लाइमलाइट में रखती है. And that is her controversial bold statements. Well, these controversial bold statements don't come out to the random people, but also to the Bollywood biggies. अक्सर उनके मीडिया इंटरेक्शंस में देखा गया है कि सोनम ने ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ बोल ही दिया है इंटरेक्शन के दौरान जो अगले दिन न्यूज़पेपर या फिर ऑनलाइन मीडिया की एक हेडलाइन बन जाती है. However, her statements are not taken lightly by the industry also. वो खुद को फेयरलेस समझती हैं और ये कहती हैं कि वो कभी भी किसी भी बात से हिचकती नहीं है. वो हमेशा अपना मन की बात बोलने में बिलीव करती हैं. So we have put across a bunch of those controversial statements made by Sonam Kapoor during her media interactions or straight from her social media. Beginning up with the first one, calling Aishwarya Rai Bachchan an auntie. Sonam shared the brand endorsement of L'Oreal with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. There are not any grudges that Sonam has for Ash, but in an interview, she said Aishwarya auntie. When the media asked for clarification whether she was having the tongue of sleep, she gave in clarification and said, Ash has worked with my dad, so I have to call her an auntie, right? The next one on her relationship with Deepika and Ranbir. Well, there were dating rumors from the sets of Savarya between Sonam Kapoor and Ranbir Kapoor. When Ranbir got engaged with Deepika Padukone during the movie shootings, Sonam blurted out on media saying, Ranbir is a great friend, but not good boyfriend material. I wonder how Deepika held on to him for so long. Such statements raise questions whether Sonam and Ranbir are in relationship or not. The next being on asking whether Ranbir is hot or not, Sonam always gave a very fiery statement in her interviews. When a reporter asked her about Ranbir's charm in Bollywood, then Sonam Kapoor frankly answered, going very casual, are girls drooling over him? Ranbir isn't sexy at all. Ranbir is a mama's boy. His mother cuts his toenails for him. Whoa, okay. The media is still overwhelmed with that type of a content that she gave, and Sonam Kapoor totally rocked in this one. The understanding of fashion. Well, we all know that Sonam Kapoor is very popular by the way she carries herself and her outfits. When she was asked about the understanding of fashion sense, she casually blurted, Indian men don't understand fashion unless they are gay. It could be her personal opinion, but she faced a lot of backlashes for making such a comment. Talking about her physique. Well, women love to admire herself. Sonam speaks boldly saying, my tits and asses are not very nice. However, Rose channels always criticized her for having a flat chest until she got married. Even Sonam has said that she does not have a bikini body until Bewakoofiyan came out. On dating rumors in the industry. In an interview, when Sonam was asked about link-up rumors with the release of movies, she said that the actors and actresses use their PR teams to create such dating rumors. PR stands for the press release team who handles the media profiles of actors. Her quoted words give a clarity to what she actually thought. Deepika has an over-enthusiastic PR team. The next being how to look great. Sonam confessed to the camera that everyone in the Bollywood needs a stylist, and they all suck. With her this statement, she cleared that she can represent all the Bollywood, and this made everyone pissed on her. Indeed, that did. Actresses having surgeries. Well, she talked about actresses getting plastic surgeries done on their face to look nice. Sonam gave a prompt answer. Many people in Bollywood have a plastic surgeries done, and they do look scary. Such comments are the TRP gainers for the Bollywood news channels, it seems. On acting and ugliness. This is the statement when she got a backlash from the industry as well. In an interview, she blurted that, just because one looks ugly does not mean he or she can't act. This is interpreted as she was calling all the actors ugly who are considered talented and great actors. Her controversy with columnist Shobha Dey. When Shobha wrote negatively about Sonam Kapoor in a review, I Hate Love Stories, the actor came to Twitter and said, guys, please don't take Shobha Dey seriously. Well, she's a fossil who's getting no action in life and going through a menopause. Whoa, okay. Her comparison with Smita Patil and Shabana Azmi. In an interview, she said after Delhi 6 in Savarya, people viewed me much like Smita Patil and Shabana Azmi. Fans trolled her for making such a comparison as she is just a few movies old and these actresses are typically veteran in the film industry. Well, ये तो थी हमारी सोनम कपूर जिन्होंने कुछ भी बोलते टाइम अपनी जुबान को लगाम बिल्कुल नहीं लगाई है एंड इंडस्ट्री से बहुत बारी अपनी दी हुई स्टेटमेंट्स के कारण बैकलैश उठाया है. But still, she walks with her head strong and she still gives her own statements in a manner that numerous times we have seen Sonam getting trolled on Twitter or maybe other social platforms. Well, you do tell us what you have to say about Sonam Kapoor ki ye boldness in her tongue and her attitude. Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates for the Tele world.
All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.